Let's solve this question. Here we have the area of square varies with square of its diagonal. Fine. Area of a square. Square is a figure diagram, and it's a square of it varies. Varies means proportional of its diagonal. Matlab, I can say area of square as per the question, that is proportional to square of diagonal, right? If diagonal measurement is 8, the area is 32. Find the diagonal of square for the area 72. Okay. What do we do? If we remove the sign of proportion, we have equal and multiple constant. ये स्टेप को आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. देखो, ये बहुत इजी और समझने वाला होना चाहिए. इसमें बहुत कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होना नहीं चाहिए. It's a constant, so it's going to be, its value is going to be same in that entire question. Is equal to what? Distance square. Now area, condition number 1 given, area is 32 for the diagonal 8. As I told you earlier as well, कि आपको पहला set of information दिया होगा so that you can find out the proportional constant. So 8 square is 64, divide करो, कितना आ जाएगा? 1/2. So k का value is 1/2. Now area equal to what? 1/2 into k. अब सॉरी 1/2 into d square. k का वैल्यू 1/2 आया ना, d square. Okay, now question is, if area is 72 तो डायगोनल का वैल्यू क्या होगा? So 1/2, सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. Now here 2 से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 72 into 2 will be how much? 144, that is d square. 144 is the square of which number? Square of 12. Right. होमवर्क सबने किया है या नहीं? I told you, remember, learn squares. डायग्राम वाला स्क्वायर नहीं, स्क्वायर ऑफ नंबर्स. स्क्वायर ऑफ नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 25. ये अपने को याद करना है. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. या ऑलराइट. So d equal to 12. Do we have 12? Yes, we have 12. Answer is option D.